Hi, welcome to globalmerchant.com. This is a tutorial to show you a little bit more about the Global Merchant back office. On the top right, you can log in or sign up. I've already clicked login, so let's go ahead and log into one of my demo accounts. I'm using a multi-store login, so I'm going to go ahead and choose my retail shop. When you open Global Merchant, you'll be greeted with this screen. This screen shows much of the same that you'll see on the Global Merchant app. Because I do have a tutorial dedicated to the app, I'm going to skip this section and go right into administration by simply clicking on administration. Here you'll see a variety of new features starting from left to right on this top bar. On the left-hand side under settings, you'll see some key areas including the ability to create positions and titles, the ability to change access permissions for those titles, QuickBooks integration, and MailChimp integration as well. Let's first start with what it looks like to access permissions for an existing title. I'm going to choose an existing title. Here you can check and uncheck which items this particular person or this particular role have access to. Going back to settings, under QuickBooks and MailChimp, you have the ability to do an integration through the form of an export. Here you can export different parts of QuickBooks into a QuickBooks format. Here you'll also see MailChimp settings. By going to MailChimp.com, you can set up a free account and you can set up a synchronization from the information you're taking in from Global Merchant and sync it back into MailChimp so you can start mass email campaigns. Back in the office, you can also do employee management, as well as schedule building, which I'll show you right now. Your day of the week, which employees, which shop. You can export this as a PDF or as an Excel sheet. You can manage products, as well as add manufacturer information and categories back here, just like you can on the application. You can cut purchase orders for new product as you need to acquire it. Built-in loyalty program and discount program as well, and the ability to import and export key data. I'll show you an example of what that data looks like. Below you see here products, services, employee, customer, and employee service information, and we provide templates to help out with that as well. The most important part of Global Merchant really is the fact that you can generate some incredible reports. There are many reports, so I'll focus on a few just to give you an example of what those look like. I do discuss this as well in the tutorial of our presentation on Global Merchant. Under sales reports, you'll see some really great ones like hourly sales, sales by customer, sales by sales rep, discount reports and tip reports. On the product reports, you'll see best selling, cross-selling, cost of goods sold, the ability to value your entire inventory with one click, really fantastic for assessments of insurance. Under employee reports, you have commission, sales, payroll, time clock, and tips. Some examples of customers are big spender reports, call lists that you can generate, reward point reports for our basic loyalty. And that is the Global Merchant back office.